Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lom So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun ready go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Kakinhon Menteri Jong ke Sorkar Jylla kabala syong ya ka jingyelang ha ka Sautrik unai wing arajar arpho kala Pdiang bat menjur ya ka Jingtyrwa ban Seng ya ka Xavier'S University ha ka ni ka Jylla Meghalaya. Usembot Menteri Rangba ke Sorkar Jylla uba Preston Tensong haba ya keren bat kilat pathai kubor uli yathu hadin bakatnat pulei puthi kalawan ra ya ka Xavier'S University Shillong bil arajar arpho kakinhon Menteri kala Pdiang bat menjur yagani ka Jingtyrwa bat yagani ka bil ansara hapo ka dorbar senrai jong ka yeng dorbar thauan ka Jylla ka ban salong nagabenta ban yathir yatai haswa ban penlong pat yaka kum ka ai na ka benta ban ai jing itho yagani ka school ba hapo ka ni ka Jylla.
Relating to the proposal of the bill from Education Department relating to the Xavier'S University Shillong Bill 2020. So after detailed discussion, the Cabinet has approved the draft bill and this bill will be placed in the coming session, which starts from tomorrow onwards. So ultimately, Government of Meghalaya has come up and appointed, constituted one regulatory board. Okay, one regulatory board, and then ultimately this application was sent to the regulatory board, and even regulatory board has strongly recommended that the bill be considered in the assembly. So as I said to you, we learn through mistakes because we have seen it quite a number of so-called private universities. They did nothing. So now we will not allow this kind of things to happen. And as I said to you, I would like to assure you that Xavier'S University is one of the most popular and famous institutions throughout India.
Hagani ka jo kasngi kakinhon Menteri kala menjorru ban penteri kam no da ki istam haga Jylla barok kawai kum shibenta ban pensuk ye ki pat ba ki bathep kam bat ki bale ye ki wai pat ki jaj kam haga banang ne shakhaman kim don kam shu bandang thet ya ki non judicial stamp henry ki la ban shule online leng ba ka internet.
I think you all know the non-judicial stamp which is being procured all these years is offline. You can go and buy from the designated places or maybe from the post office or from the bank or from any places. And this time we decided that e-stamps be started in the state of Meghalaya. This will ease people far and near to go online. So again, the proposal submitted by the department was ultimately approved by the Cabinet. E-stamp means, see, it is online. See, right now, anybody who wanted to buy this non-judicial stamp, when you prepare affidavit or whatever, even the student has to go to post office, has to go queuing up themselves. But now, those who has got the technology where it is available online, they can just take it online. Okay.